Hey, what's up YouTube? Just want to share with you guys bird cage. Just finished a couple days ago and it took me like a week to complete it. It's my little bird right there. Alright, let's go inside. See the branch? You don't need to buy this. Just make one for yourself. Just go grab one. You don't need to spend any money. Just imagination, you can build one. Show you my swing. There you go. It's all homemade. It's a coconut. Yeah, I got 2 of them in there for my bird. There you go. They love it. This cage is very easy to make, guys. You don't need to go buy one. And my bird love it. Okay, here's another swing. I did order Africa Gray. It's not here yet. It's still a baby. Probably 3 more months it's gonna be in the cage. And let me show you another door.